Hello, guys, welcome back to Scholarship Explore. I have another opportunity to discuss with you guys. If you are looking for fellowship, scholarship, internship, you can just follow us on YouTube and subscribe to our channel so you'll get daily updates on different scholarship programs, different internships, and different fellowship programs that are currently open around the world. So we on a daily basis we bring different information about different programs. So today we are going to share with you a great opportunity for those who are from low income countries or those who are college graduate. They can join this online free interactive leadership development program. It's completely free and you have to apply for this. And the applications for 2024 are currently open. So let's know what are the requirements of this program. It is known as Aspire Leaders Program. The eligibility criteria is that you must be 18 to 29-year old, low income background, first generation college students or recent graduate but not enrolled in graduate program. You have intermediate level of English. So if you meet these eligibility criteria, you can apply for this program. We will go through the application process. So you can click here to apply. Let's see the application process. We will continue, and so once you click apply, it will take you here and I will ask you to enter your email address and then you can continue to the application process. So let me just enter email and then continue. Once you enter your email ID and you create your account, the application looks like this. I will ask you to go through the eligibility criteria and instructions carefully so before you submit your application. It's very basic and simple application. You only need to provide personal information and then your background and additional some few questions regarding where did you hear about this program. And also first let's look at the instructions. What are the instructions? I already mentioned about the program that it is for the low income first generation college students, and they give you different trainings, and these trainings are exclusively, these courses are designed by the Harvard faculty, and the classes are led by educators from different universities around the world. So it's an online free leadership development program. Already I mentioned about the eligibility criteria, who can apply, and then let's see what it says about the application process. It will take you only 15 to 30 minutes to complete this application. It's very simple, it's very basic. They will ask you a few questions regarding your personal information, name, basic information that we cover in what age and what is your age, if you are eligible to apply for this, and some very basic questions. Then personal questions, then your background include academic background, family background, personal and social background. So when you click on personal and social background, you can see here, please share any other information about yourself that you would like the admission committee to know. The question is optional, so they also give you option in these questions whether you want to answer or not. Definitely you would answer because it makes your application more strong. And they have some questions regarding your family background and about university, college, or field of studies. Few basic questions, and then some additional questions. So how did you hear about the program? Have you applied for Aspire program before? What are the main reasons that you're applying for, and how long it will take you, the application take you to fill. And you have to confirm that all the information you provide in this application are accurate and honest answers. So guys, I would recommend you, and I would suggest you to apply for this program because it's online. Obviously the first thing is online. You can continue your any other work while doing 2024 Aspire Leaders program, and then you can submit your application here. it will take, you already mentioned that 15 to 30 minutes. It doesn't require a lot of time, so I would ask you to apply and get a chance to, you never know, you may be selected for this program. So best of luck, guys, and I will share the link of this program in the description below so you can check out this. Thank you.